Want to create this amazing vintage effect in Canva? After opening new Canva project, go to Elements and scroll down to Frames. Choose the circle from Basic Shapes. Let's adjust the size like this. And go back to Elements and type Grange Photos. Let's use this filter. Let's use the yellow color. Click apply. Let's use this one. Drag it inside the circle. Double click and you can adjust the position and the size. Duplicate this circle and align it. Uploads, and after uploading your image, let's drag it inside the circle. Double click, adjust the position and remove the background. Go to texts and type your text. Let's change the color to yellow. Go to effects, outline, change to white color and increase the thickness. Let's place it in the top. Go to effects again and go to curve and let's make 70. Place it like this and download this page as PNG. Delete all these elements and upload the image that we just make. Go to edit, style match and choose scrapbook. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.